Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to fix lag in Google Chrome. So to do this, first of all, we have to open up Chrome, and I'm going to open up Chrome here. Then once we've opened up Chrome, what we need to do is go to the top right corner and click on the three dots button. Then from the list of options, we'll click on Settings. Once we're on Settings, what we will do is go to the left side and click on the Systems option. And then on the systems page, you'll see different options. So the first one says continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. We will toggle this from on to off. This is because when we run background apps of Google Chrome, it is slow to start up. And another option you'll see here is use graphic acceleration when available. We will also toggle this from on to off. So we're doing this because when graphic acceleration is enabled, sometimes Google cannot load the graphics and so it will lag. And we need to relaunch Google Chrome in order for this setting to take effect. So click on relaunch. And finally, you should also check your internet if it is working and your network settings, because sometimes the network can also cause Google Chrome to lag. So these are the three things you need to check for. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.